Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to silence your squeaky door. I'm gonna be using a garage door loop. This one is 3-in-1. The good thing about it, it prevents rust and corrosion. Just apply a bit of loop inside the hinges and between the joints. Do not worry if you applied more loop than needed. You can always wipe this out later with paper towel. When you applied loop on all hinges, open and close your door a few times to spread the loop evenly inside the hinges. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.